This user guide explains how to place a request for carrier haulage instruction. Customers can set or submit instructions by clicking the BL dashboard. Customers can track shipments by BL number, container number, shipment number, vessel name, voyage number, and invoice number using the search option. The icon next to the BL number provides more information about the BL. After clicking on the specific BL number, click on the plus instruct icon to proceed with the carrier haulage instruction request submission. Select Carrier Haulage Instruction option from the drop-down, which will redirect customers to the necessary interface for mapping carrier haulage instruction. It is important to note that the carrier haulage instruction is only available when you have a shipment booked with a to-door delivery. Customer must fill in all the mandatory fields highlighted with an asterisk, such as warehouse name, address, contact name, email address, phone number, and remarks, if applicable, and then submit your request. Once the request is successfully sent, a pop-up for the carrier haulage request will appear on the screen as shown, and an event will be created for the same. Additionally, monitoring your events becomes effortless with the instruction dashboard accessible through the toggle navigation feature. Under the instruction dashboard, you will be able to view all the instructions submitted on ODeX, with the status and the latest timestamp of the event. This completes an end-to-end process of carrier haulage instruction on ODeX. Simplify and streamline global shipping. Join ODeX now.